to our further mathematics class. Today we shall continue the topic which says differentiation, and we are going to use another method known as quotient rule. Quotient rule is a method used to find the derivative of a function that is the ratio of two differentiable functions. For instance, we have division operation to work on. The best method to apply is quotient rule. Let's see this. Quotient rule goes thus: dy over dx equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx all over v squared. That is the formula for quotient rule. Example. We have an example to solve. The example says, find the derivative of the following. Find the derivative of the following. Okay, number one says we should find the derivative of y equal to 2 plus x squared all over 2 minus x squared. You can see that there is division here. So quotient, in other words, means the answer obtained after dividing. Alright? So number 2, we have our y equal to 1 plus x over x squared plus x plus 4. It's also involving division. To solve this problem, we have to take into cognizance solution. The first is y equal to 2 plus x squared being divided by 2 minus x squared. Okay, we come over to this part of the board. We are going to designate. Let u equal to what we have as our numerator, which is 2 plus x squared. Alright, if we differentiate u with respect to x, we have the u over the x. So this will give us, if we differentiate 2, it becomes 0. If we differentiate this x squared from our first principle or general method, we will have 2x. So our answer after differentiating u with respect to x will be 2x. That's our answer. Then let v equal to 2 minus x squared. Therefore, we are going to differentiate v with respect to x. So this will be v over the x. This will give us, if we differentiate 2, it becomes 0. Minus, if we differentiate x squared, it will give us 2x. So this will give us negative 2x. This is what we obtain. Now, it is time for us to apply the formula for quotient rule, which says dy over the x equal to v du over the x minus u dv over the x all over v squared. So therefore, our dy over the x will now be, what is our v? Our v is 2 minus x squared. We put it here, 2 minus x squared. Being multiplied du over the x. Du over the x is 2x, we put towards 2x. Okay? Bring the negative sign here. What is our u? Our u is 2 plus x squared. We put it here, 2 plus x squared. Close the bracket, open another bracket. What is our dv over the x? dv over the x is negative 2x. Okay. All over, what is our v? Our v is 2 minus x squared. But here it is squared, we enclose it and raise to power 2. Alright, let us expand. dy over dx will now be 2x times 2 will give us 4x. 2x times negative x squared will give us negative 2x cubed. Okay? Put your mind, still leave this in brackets. Negative 2x times this will give us negative 4x. Okay? Negative 2x times this will give us negative 2x cubed. Bracket closes. All over, write down what we have as our denominator, which is 2 minus x squared, all squared. Okay, so we go back to our dy. dy over dx will now be 4x plus, okay, minus 2x cubed, minus we will multiply everything inside the brackets, times this will give us plus 4x, times this will give us plus 2x cubed, all over 2 minus x squared, 2 minus x squared all squared. Okay, this is what we have. So we have work to do here. This is negative 2x cubed, this is positive 2x cubed, so these two definitely go away. We have positive 4x and positive 4x, so this will now give us our answer as dy over dx to be 4x plus 4x will give us 8x all over 2 minus x squared all squared. So this is our answer for question number 1. So we go over to question number 2. Question number 2, it says that y is equal to 2. Okay, number 2. Y is equal to 1 plus x all over x squared plus x plus 4. Alright, let our u be the numerator, which is 1 plus x. So if we differentiate u with respect to x, it will be du over the x, which will give us, differentiate this, it becomes 0 plus, differentiate this, it becomes 1. So when we differentiate, we have what? 1. We come to the second one, the denominator will now be our v. So our v will be x squared plus x plus 4. If we differentiate the v with respect to the x, we are going to have, if you differentiate this, you have 2x. Differentiate this, you have what? 1. Differentiate this constant, it becomes 0. So at the end, we have 2x plus 1 as our answer. Now, time for us to incorporate all these things in the quotient rule formula. And quotient rule formula says dy all over the x equal to v du over the x minus u dv over the x, all divided by v squared. So we go on, dy all over the x will now be, what's our v? Our v is x squared plus x plus 4 multiplied by du over the x. Du over the x is 1 multiplied by 1. Put the negative sign. What's our u? Our u is 1 plus x, open a bracket, 1 plus x multiplied by dv over the x. dv over the x is now 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. All will be over v squared. See v squared here, you write it x squared plus x plus 4, all squared. Okay? I want you to go through this and observe the things we have done here. Alright, I'm going to erase this part of the board to complete the solving. Okay? So, as you're going through it, if you have any question, please write it down in the comment section. I will attend to you later. Okay, having gone through this, we can proceed by expanding the bracket. So our dy over the x will now be 1 times everything in that bracket will give us x squared plus x plus 4. Okay? Put the negative sign, open a bracket. Now, 1 times 2x will give us 2x. 1 times 1 will give us plus 1. Then x multiplies. X times 2x will give us plus 2x squared. Okay? X times 1 will give us plus x. Alright, having reached here, we write our denominator as well, which is x squared plus x plus 4 all squared. So this will be dy over dx equal to x squared plus x plus 4. This open up this bracket, we have, okay, is there any like term in the bracket? Yes, there is like term. Let us do that. It will be what? Let's arrange it properly. 2x squared, okay, plus 2x. We are rearranging it so that it works better for us, plus x, since they all have positive sign. Okay, and lastly we have plus 1 all over x squared plus x plus 4 all squared. So when we add up this, we have our dy over dx to be x squared plus x plus 4 minus bracket open. We still have our 2x squared. These two will give us plus 3x plus 1 all over x squared plus x plus 4 all squared. Okay, now we can expand by opening up this bracket. We have our dy over dx to be x squared plus x plus 4 minus times this will give us minus 2x squared. Times this will give us minus 3x. Okay, minus 1 all over x squared plus x plus 4 all raised to power 2 all squared. Okay, I'm going to erase this part of the board and complete our solving here. Hope you are understanding what we're doing today. The topic is still differentiation, but we're using another method. This should be method number 5, called the quotient rule, and it is basically applied when we have division to do. Whenever we see division, we apply the quotient rule. Okay, so collecting like terms here, I'll have my dy over dx equal to, first one I have is x squared. Which one is having power 2 again? Minus 2x squared. Okay? Next will be the ones with x. I have plus x. Here I have minus 3x. So they are alike. Then here I have plus 4. And here I have minus 1. All over x squared plus x plus 4 all raised to power 2. So we have our dy over dx to be x minus this will give us minus x squared. Okay, this will give us minus 2x. Okay, this will give us plus 3 all over x squared plus x plus 4 all raised to power 2. We can as well write this, and our final answer will now be y over dx. I don't want negative to start. Let me start with this positive number. So it will be what? 3. Okay, minus 2x minus x squared all over x squared plus x plus 4 all squared. This is our final answer. Okay, this marks the end of our class today. Do me a favor to share this video, let it go viral. Click on the bell icon for notification if you haven't done so. And also subscribe if you haven't done so as well. May God bless you all. Bye for now.